Hi friends, welcome to Moody Blooms. I'm Mary Ellen and today we're going to do some plant shopping at Lowe's. We're going to start off with the Peace Lily or Spathiphyllum, and these are $5.98. And these are great houseplants. They have these beautiful white flowers and they're pretty easy to find. Next we have the Pearls and Jade Pothos, and I love these. These are actually a plant that's cultivated from the Marble Queen Pothos. Next we have the Zebra Plant or Aphelandra squarosa, and these are $4.98 in a 13-ounce pot. And these can be a finicky houseplant. It's grown for its beautiful shiny leaves. And there's lots of different plants to choose from. We have a Dracaena here. These are great, easy care houseplants. And there's lots to choose from as well. Next we have the Dieffenbachia or dumb cane plant, and these are $4.98, and these are great houseplants too, and pretty easy to find at most nurseries and plant shops. If you want to check out some more care tips for the dumb cane plant, you can check out my complete care guide video, and the link for that will be up above. And next we have one of my favorite pothos plants, and this is the Snow Queen Epipremnum. And these are just stunning. Look at that beautiful green and creamy yellow variegation, and these are $12.98. And this is a great price, I feel. These are beautiful pothos, and of course these grow a little bit slower than a standard Marble Queen pothos plant, but they're just beautiful. I just love them. And then we have a larger Spathiphyllum or Peace Lily for $12.98. Again, these are great houseplants. Have a care video on that one as well, and I'll put the link for that up above, and then it'll also be down below in the comments. And then the tried and true golden pothos, these are perfect for beginner plant parents. These are excellent to have in your house for oxygen and getting rid of toxins, and they also are super easy to take care of. So if you're new to plants, check these out, and have a care video on these as well. On to the Anthuriums. These guys are $6.98, and they have these beautiful red flowers. Some more of the beautiful Peace Lilies. Tons to choose from. This is the largest size they have for $24.98. And look at those beautiful white flowers. And when they start to brown, then we just cut those off. Here's some more of these beautiful Anthuriums for $6.98. Now, if you're looking for a houseplant that is super hard to kill, never have to water, you can go on vacation, not have to worry about it, then the next plant is for you. It's the ZZ plant or Zamioculcas Zamiifolia, and they have almost a 2-gallon pot for $40 right now. Okay, we have a Calatheas or a rattlesnake plant, and they have these for $12.98, and you can see why they are called the rattlesnake plant because of the beautiful leaves. Here's another Calatheas. These are also $12.98, and they have the beautiful red undersides of the leaves. And there's tons of these. And again, they're $12.98. Now this is a bromeliad, and these are beautiful plants with this stunning flower. You see the pink one in the back, and then this beautiful tall red one. And then some more Anthuriums. These are looking a little sad over here. But the bromeliads are great houseplants. They're great for landscaping, and I just love them. Its larger Anthuriums are $16.98. Now we're on to the succulents. First we have some hens and chicks or sempervivum, and there's plenty of different varieties to choose from. Now I'm kind of surprised at the Euphorbia. This is also known as white ghost or white ghost candelabra, and these are pretty hard to find. Next we have the agave plant. It's a variegated version. And I love the paddle plants. They're just such beautiful staples in landscaping. This is a fantastic, and it's the variegated version, and I just love the different reds that it gets on its edges of its leaves. Now, I planted some of these paddle plants in my parents' yard, and they've just come in beautifully. The tips are nice and bright red when they get increased sun. But these are beautiful, and they have tons to choose from. They're also called flapjack plants. And then we have this artichoke agave, and these are really cute. These are great for landscaping as well. Very drought tolerant. You see these quite a bit in California landscaping, especially in Southern California. So thanks for joining me on my trip to Lowe's today. We hope you enjoyed checking out some of these plants. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up if this video is helpful. And we'll see you on the next video.